Unit 27, at the office.
Come in.
Good morning, Clark. You're early today.
Hello, Gordon. I had to come early to open the office. As you know, Miss Spencer is on vacation.
Clark, we need a substitute secretary. There is a lot of work to do.
The agency is sending us a girl this afternoon. If she is good, we can keep her permanently.
I'm glad to hear that. There is too much work for Miss Spencer to do alone. I was going to suggest that.
I think you have some papers for me to sign.
Yes, about half a dozen documents. Do you want to sign them now?
Yes, please. Tell me, Gordon, do you need a secretary too?
Frankly, I think I do. Taylor helps me a lot, but he is not a stenographer and is a very slow typist. Miss Spencer can't do everything. There is a lot of work.
Let's try the new girl the agency is sending us. If she is really good, you can keep her as your secretary.
That's a good idea. Do you want to see Taylor? He is in my office.
Tell him to bring those papers for me to sign.
The Present Simple Interrogative.
Do you need a secretary?
Yes, I do.
Do you speak Portuguese?
Yes, I do.
Do I speak English?
Yes, you do.
Do I drink whiskey?
Yes, you do.
Do we study English?
Yes, we do.
Do we understand English?
Yes, we do.
Do they work in an office?
Yes, they do.
Do they take a shower in the morning?
Yes, they do. Do you speak Japanese?
No, I don't.
Do you study law?
No, I don't.
Do I work in a factory?
No, you don't.
Do I understand Japanese?
No, you don't.
Do we take a taxi?
No, we don't.
Do we need another secretary?
No, we don't.
Do they live in Paris?
No, they don't.
Do they sleep late?
No, they don't.
Do they work in a factory?
No, they work in an office.
Do you speak Portuguese?
No, I speak English.
Do you sleep late?
No, I wake up early.
Do we study Japanese?
No, we study English.